Alright, this is part 2. I'm putting the ductwork in. This is the filter for the export air. You pop it out and you're going to get 2 little sheet metal screws that go through this plastic into the sheet metal that you had already put up, okay? And that'll line everything up. Now you can put your knobs in. Now you have 8 sheet metal screws that'll go in, 2 in every ductwork. 2 there, 2 over here. We'll cut that with a box knife in every one. So what I'll do is I'll pre-drill those with a small drill, and then we'll go ahead and run those up with a little screw gun. And this can go back up now. It just goes in the track like this. I know my okay. Now my door is laying over here. It's actually right there in the top of that box. I'll get the door out, and we'll get that door in, and we'll keep it chugging on. Alright, there's what I've been using. It doesn't really work good when it's 100 degrees out. I mean, this is okay. Okay, that's done. It's up there. I may take this down and put like one more screw in here. But other than that, that's it. It's in. Okay. Let's plug it up and see what it does. I'll just set the camera here. Hopefully it don't fall out the window. It's a little bit hot in here. Turn the blower. That's on cold. That's all the way on cold. Okay, that blows it out the sides. That does, and then that blows it down here. Let it run a couple minutes and see how she cools off. Where's my temperature thing? Give it a couple minutes and we'll see what happens. It's been about 5 minutes, and it's registering about 90 out right now. These vents here will be a little easier to read. And maybe like 66, 60, jumps all over the place, 62. Hey, I had some half-ass work. That's a whole lot better than that thing. But I think this thing here is only about it says it's 8,500 BTUs. That's double. That's 15,000 BTUs. Now you can work in here. Now you get, and this, even with this, it's already cool in here. I mean, you can feel the breeze sitting in the front seat. That's what'll make a difference. That's gonna make a big difference. Yeah. Alrighty, that's the end of part 2.